So now in the final section, we will be converting this area into a proper table by applying borders. This is the borders icon that we can use to apply all borders. We will be using shortcut keys to apply all borders. So how we can do that is that by pressing Alt once again, Alt then H, then B, and then A. So practice that and you will see that how I did it. Once again, if I will press it in a faster pace, so you can see that how we can use shortcut keys to our advantage and save time. It will be like Alt H B A. And if you want to apply thick borders, we can do that also. Alt H B T will apply thick borders. You can see there are thick borders around the edges, and if we want to once again apply thick borders to this area, we can do that. So that's how you can use shortcut keys to your advantage. Now before moving to the final lesson, I will share another tip with you guys so that you can use that to your advantage. So here you can see that the city column, address column, email column and phone column is a little bit squeezed. The data is not properly visible in it. So what we usually do is that we go to this section, for example, and double click over here so that the H column, which was on the left of where I clicked, is now properly visible to everyone. Whereas what we can do is that we can just select the entire area. We can press Alt and then H and then O, which is the format area, and then I is auto fit column width. So if the rows were not properly sorted out, then I would have pressed A, but in my case it is the columns, then I would just press I, and this will create a perfect column with all the data visible to you. So that is how we can sort out all the data within the Excel sheet. Moving on, we will see that how we can apply auto sum to a specific area. So let's select the total payable amount, and what we have to do is that we have to select one empty cell below it and then apply Alt and equal to at the same time. So what it does is that it recognizes the area within the table or within the selection area and it applies auto sum. So if you will hover to this section, you will see that Microsoft Excel also provides you with the shortcut key that we have used to our advantage. So moving on, let's apply the same scenario to salary. So what we will do is that we will select the salary area and then we will press Alt and equal to at the same time. Now let's see that how we can use find and replace feature. By pressing Ctrl and F, you can open find and replace feature. What we are going to do is that we are going to change the state, which is PU or Punjab, to Capital Territory or ICT. So what I will do is that I will write that down in find what and then replace it with ICT, which is what we are seeking. By pressing apply all, you have seen that it has already applied to all the 12 replacement areas, and that's how you can do it. At the end of the lesson, you can see that I have removed all the formatting and we are going to redo everything that we have done so far, and I want you to practice it with me. You can prepare this table or you can copy it or you can check it from the link down below. So let's start with the very beginning. So what we are going to do is that we are going to convert this to accounting, Alt HK, and then commission account also to the accounting, Alt HK once again, and then salary once again to accounting format. And for the hire date, as you can remember, what we did was Alt HN and then short. Now you can see that this area is not visible, and in fact some of other areas are not properly visible. So what we will do is that we will apply Ctrl A, Alt HOI, and now you can see that all the columns are properly visible to everyone. We are going to convert the commission amount into percentage, so Alt HB for that. Then all borders, Alt HBA, thick borders around the side, Alt HBT, and also we are going to separate the titles from the rest of the table, Alt HBT, and then Alt HAC, which is aligning in the center. Finally, we are going to apply totals. So moving on to the total payable amount, what we will do is that we will select the area and then press Alt and equal to. Similarly with the salary, Alt and equal to. Or what we can do is that we can just come to the empty cell and apply Alt and equal to. So because it is a table, it auto selects the area which we are going to add up. By pressing enter, you can see that we have the total. And finally, going to the Control and F feature or find and replace feature. So once again, what we are going to do is that we're going to revert back the changes that we have made before, convert the state to Punjab once again. So by pressing replace all, you can see that now state is Punjab.